Hey guys, I'm excited to bring you guys the latest features of Upschema. I'm going to go down the list. We'll start with the best one, which is swipe any website schema. So we now have a feature in when you add new, you can go to custom. This is the new area that we've added. It's called custom schema. I'll start off by showing you import via URL. I'm just using any old site here. Let's say I wanted their schema. It's not got a name, so it's probably custom made. If you go down, you'll see its web page. It's a locksmith image. It's got website in there. So somewhat noded, and hit that plus button, and I've brought it in here, and I can change this to how I like, mywebsite.com and whatnot. The second feature in custom is import from code. So let's say I had my own code. I can now script load JSON into here and hit load. And now I've brought my own schema here. Always remember to take away the ID, because it will make you a brand new ID if you're changing and chopping things. So this is one of my old templates, and I've brought it into here, and I can start changing it how I like. Okay, I do have another video on this, so just look out for that video. The next thing we have is custom fields on existing schema forms. So all our templates, so if you come down here and let's say you add new, you want to add a new person schema, you'd come to the bottom, you'd fill all this out, and let's say there's something missing like occupation, you can add it into here. So we can add occupation, it will start adding into here. And that's in every template. All of our templates have that now. So you can customize as much as you like without boundaries. So the next thing is local business schema. You can add more than one type. So we can have local business, and let's say it's a professional as well, professional service. You can have that in there, and then the additional types. So we're now starting to narrow down general contractor, and then exactly what the contractor is. Let's say he's a roofing contractor. So yep, you can have more than one type now. The next thing on the list we have is, if we go down to web page schema, quite a few new fields like significant links. Okay, somebody wanted them and they are important. These are internal links and links that are significant within your website. I use internal links there, and it works quite well. And the next thing is the iframe mixer. I can now add custom schema here. You can see what I had here. Take away the script, add, and let's say we wanted to take maybe one of the images, copy the image link, hit mix, and now my custom schema's in there, and it's made an iframe of it, and I'll preview, and that's what it looks like on front end, but behind it has my custom schema. So my old schema, you can bring that in. The last thing I want to go over, which we didn't make a video on last time, was we can now push to HTML sites. So when we do sites, add a site, we can now choose if it's a WordPress site. We click here, give it a title, the URL, and then get the API from the plugin. And then the second way for HTML was uncheck this, copy this code into the header section. Okay. And that was a quick overview of all the features that we've added. But yeah, thanks for your time guys, and I'll see you in the next one.